I don't need to kill this world. That is why I'm looking for gold. Looking for gold. What are we up, Jonathan? There's something shiny there among the there, and I thought the search was over and I'd finally be free. So when I tried to buy the nugget, check if it was the real deal, that useless thing didn't work for me. I can't do it, my kind of thing. The dream was on my own grave. I will be free, free of any rotten burden of wild disease, still calling scenes, yeah. And that's when I realize what I'm just meant to be. I'll search until my last income, that is my victory, yeah. Rocks falling, 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 falling down. Maybe I'll die here. Oh, yeah, yeah. One place, where the sun don't ever shine. I will sing this song of mine, things I lonely for, I cannot find. Oh, my knees are saying I'm getting old, time to break my back, looking for gold.